What ears can tell about your health condition? Some unusual symptoms. Most people do not pay too much attention to their ears. And in vain, because this body can often warn of various diseases. It is reported by Rambler. Tinnitus. A fairly common symptom encountered by millions of people around the world can be quite harmless. Usually tinnitus occurs due to exposure to loud noises or an ear infection. But sometimes a ringing can signal a serious illness. For example, about a tumor, high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Ear wax black. If you have encountered such a symptom only once, then do not worry. However, if you notice black earwax on an ongoing basis and at the same time experience itching in your ears, this may indicate a fungal infection. Red ears. If your ears turn red for no apparent reason, this may be a symptom of adrenal insufficiency. Such an ailment, in turn, leads to a decrease in blood pressure, weight loss and renal failure. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.